Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this install on this 30-inch hair. If you get hit with my hair, you're setting 30 inches too close because, period. This hair is from Nadula Hair. We're going to get into the details of everything. These curls are heatless, so stay tuned and keep watching to see how I got those. And I'll give y'all a little view before y'all keep watching. Make sure y'all want to keep watching. Like, and if you're looking at this like, I might want to keep watching, I'll turn around, you can see the back, and then we can figure it out, okay? Okay. You want to keep watching now? Are you into it? It's from Nadula Hair. It is a wig that was made by Sally Stitched It on IG. Definitely look her up. She did a great job. Like, I'm very excited to throw her on. I didn't do any plucking to this. I mean, she did it. She did the plucking, the bleaching. I didn't do anything to this wig, but throw it on, baby. Everything else, credit to do to her. Definitely, I'm gonna put a picture of her IG over here. But yeah, she did everything. Shouts out to her. Definitely go get your wig made by her. These are 4 bundles: a 30, a 28, a 20. I think it's 2 30s, a 28, and a 26. And the front was 18 inches. And she gave it to me curled, but they kind of fell. So I put some flexi rods in it overnight. So briefly, let's talk about the heatless curls real quick, and then we can get into the install. So I'm just going to start spraying water on each little section. I have about like 8 or so flexi rods, so I'm not going to be doing a lot of these. I just wanted the curls on the bottom to really pop, really last, and this is the way to do it. So I'm going to add some light mousse, and not a ton of mousse. I don't want a lot of product on the hair, just something to maintain not maintain the curl, but ensure that the curl is going to hold itself. And then I'm going to very sloppily try to show you on camera how I wrap it around. It's kind of hard to show you on camera because it's long hair and it needs to be pulled taut to get the best effect, but I did want to show you guys how I did it. Really easy, best curls ever. I'll have a picture towards the end of it, what exactly it turned out like, but super easy, and I literally didn't even have to do a lot of these. I promise I only did like 8 of these, and everything turned out really great. Look at that, super easy. I will say that I like the heatless ones a lot better than like a real curl, because to me real curls do not last. But with this, you can just wrap your hair up at the end of the night and it's still gonna last. But please look at this scalp. Please look at this wig. She really did what she had to do. Please give her a follow. Sally Stitched It on IG did this, not me. I don't want to take the credit. Please look at what she did. I can't imagine ever buying a wig this great again. So now that you enjoyed that pleasant voiceover of me telling you how I achieved this heatless curl, I'm gonna go ahead and take them out now off my head because it's kind of heavy when I throw it on, and I just don't have that to do. I'm gonna just throw her on my shoulder right here. If you want to undo the curl, just unravel it like this. Now you know what she looks like. It's my first time doing it. There's our curl. Want something fun for the summer. They're still a little damp, but not wet. They're like slightly damp. I'm just gonna keep unraveling. I'm just gonna put it in my lap, but that's just how you undo it. You just unravel it like so, like how I demonstrated. So I'm gonna get to doing that, and then I'm gonna throw it on my head when we get to installing. Okay, so here's what she's looking like. I just wanted like the curls to last, because I know that like in long hair, usually curls just don't really, I don't know, me and curls don't really get along, so we're really excited to see how this turns out. I don't really know what it looks like yet, so we're just gonna wait and see. A few things about this wig: she did hand sew it, and it does seem to be sewn pretty well. Like, ain't nothing happening in here. She did sew an elastic band in it, and she said that when she was hot combing, it created some holes in the lace, but I'm sure I'll be okay. I know what to do. I still would definitely recommend her. She plucked the fuck out of this, and you're about to see in a second. I'm about to throw her on. This is the Even Tinted Lace Spray in light warm brown. I get it from my local beauty supply store, but I'm sure you can find it online somewhere. Time to throw her on. Like I said, she threw an elastic band on, so I'm just going to use the elastic band to do it. I ain't even adjust her or nothing yet. I just know y'all see this. And she just out here doing this. This is beautiful. I could never. I am gonna say I'm gonna cut a little bit of the front part off. I feel like it's just a little lower for my taste. I'm super glad it fits too. Like, I was really worried that she wasn't gonna fit, but here she is, fitting. And she bleached it not. She plucked it. She made the wig. Columbus. She said she ships. I asked her when I picked up my wig yesterday if she ships, and she said she does. So again, I will be leaving all her information. I don't want to take no credit for this wig. She did it. She did it. She did it. I'm just going to install it. I'm going to do what I can on that part, on that tip. Let's stop talking. Go ahead and cut off my ear tabs, and then we can get to installing. I'm currently making a TikTok of all this, so I don't know. I just completely the beginning or at the end, but at some point watch my TikTok. I think this time I can leave the song in because it's an unreleased Nicki song, so I think I'm gonna get copyrighted. But if I upload it and I get copyrighted, you know what's finna happen. I'm gonna sing it again because follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is the same as everything else, Beauty via Julia, on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. That's all I really got right now, so definitely give me a follow. Now we can begin gluing. I'm going to be using my Bold Hold. I really appreciate y'all so much. I really do. Because I was talking about the Erica J glue and y'all told me, like 6 of y'all told me that she came back with it, and I really appreciate y'all. The first one who told me, I got it. I ordered it. I just got my notification that it's on the way. Very geeked. My next video, hopefully, I should be installing with that glue instead. But today I'm using my Bold Hold. Bold Hold. You can begin installing like normal. I had to keep stopping and starting because I'm making a TikTok right now, but I'm just going to finish installing my lace and worry about my TikTok as I go. But this is more important. I'm gonna do this for y'all. I'm gonna do this straight. I ain't gonna stop no more. Okay. I'm gonna put my elastic band on, but before I do, I'm gonna be doing some wispy baby hairs today, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull some hair forward so that it's easy to do. Brands repost me on their Instagrams and stuff. They be like, it was real good till the baby hair came. Bitch, fuck you. No, I'm playing, but like for real, I'm not. I don't know, I feel like baby hair is so cute. Like, why wouldn't you want some baby hair? Oh my god, I hate hair on my face. I'm about to die. As a person who does hair all the time, this is what I do. I will never get over hair being on my face. I just can't stand it. Water being on my face, hate it. All that, hate it. Time for elastic band. And basically I'm putting the elastic band over this because it's going to set the hairs into that direction, if that makes sense. It's going to look ugly while it's here, but it's for the greater good. After some thought, I decided I'm just going to take off my elastic band and do my baby hairs, throw on a scarf, do my makeup, come back, finish it off. And so here's what we're looking like. Like, this is my hair. I'm gonna use my Lotta Body Wrap Me Mousse. I don't really like this too much, but I'm trying to get the hang of things. So I'm gonna keep trying to do things I don't like so I can be better at them. That's what sometimes we gotta do, y'all. That's what we gotta do. So I'm gonna do a lot of maneuvering and cutting. I'm still learning the soft baby hair type look. So I know I look kind of crazy right now, but I promise I think it'll come together. baby hair is done. I'm feeling a way about it, but I'm pretty sure when my face is done, I'll feel a lot better. I'm going to use this scarf, cover everything up while I'm doing my makeup, and then once my makeup is done, I will come back with the final results. Back on the hair tip, my makeup is done. Yes, there is a video for this. Don't you worry. Okay, so all I did to undo my hair is just put my fingers through it, and this is the curls I got. I'm about to take some pictures in like 2 seconds, so please look at this picture right here to see how the entirety of it looks. I really like it, but I'm finna do something to it to give it some more like body. So I'm gonna just spray some Gotta Be spray right here. And I really don't feel like hot combing it because she really gave my wig like ready to be worn. So I just really don't want to do nothing else to it. So I really could heat up my hot comb and do this with that. But I'm gonna use my Gotta Be spray and try to mold it into place how I want it. I just wanted to give it a little more body. It looks a little flat. So I'm gonna take my comb and just comb it upwards. That's it for this hair. Really glad to see how it came out like this. Like, makeup looks good. Like I said, video for sure. I'll give y'all a little turnaround now. 30 of them. 30 of these inches. My heatless curls turned out so nice. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye, beautiful.